Hey guys, listen to that. That's an eastern screech owl. It's beautiful. I think he heard me. They make such a pretty noise. Or their little call. Kind of sounds like that. See, it answered me back, guys. See, it answered me back again. You best believe, buddy. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, goodness, guys, these bats are flying around all over my head out here. Do you hear how loud that little eastern screech owl is, guys? Oh, well, I'm trying to get him to call me back now, and he won't. Wow, guys. All the little creatures. The ones that... Wow, that eastern screech owl is loud. I think he's right in my tree right there that you guys are looking at. Goodness, brother. He's calling. For all of you guys that don't have owls close to your house where you can hear them, I just thought you'd think that was cool. I'm not as good at doing the call as I was when I was young. Oh, goodness, y'all. Bat flew just like inches over my head just now. Wow. There's one more lightning bug, guys. One more little lightning bug for the summer. It's his little last hoorah, I guess. I barely caught him on camera. I think he's gone. I think the bats have eaten almost all of them. Anyway, we got purple skies tonight here in Kentucky. And there's the sunset. And it's going on 9 o'clock. And we're watching. We try to get a close-up of the sunset for you guys. Looks like it's going to be a fairly clear night, except for that one line of clouds up there, so we'll see. But I love you guys, and we'll talk really soon.